To change font style on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap vision enhancement. Scroll down the screen. Under size and zoom section, tap font size and style. Tap font style and then select the desired font style you like to use. You can see how the font will look like in this preview. If you don't like this style, you can tap the font style again and then select another font style. If you want to have another font style, you can download paid or free fonts in the Galaxy Store by typing font style and then download fonts. Then you can download or buy the desired font you like to have, so you can apply that font in your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.